In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create private boards in Trello. If you're planning work that shouldn't be visible to everyone in your workspace, a private board is exactly what you need. In Trello, private means only people you directly invite to that specific board can see or edit anything on it. It won't show up for other workspace members, and it won't be searchable outside of the people you've added, which helps protect sensitive projects, drafts, and personal planning. From your Trello dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the plus button. That's the Create control, and it's the quickest way to start something new. When the small menu appears, choose Create Board. This tells Trello you want a brand new board rather than a card, list, or template, and it opens a setup window where you can configure the essentials. In that setup window, find the visibility option and set it to private. This is the key step. Choosing private locks the board so only people you invite can access it. You might also see options like Workspace or Public. Those make your board visible to a wider audience, which is great for open collaboration, but not for confidential work. Setting visibility now prevents surprises later, and it ensures that the moment your board is created, it's already restricted to the right audience. Next, finalize the details. Give your board a clear, descriptive name so anyone you invite later instantly understands its purpose. Then pick a background that makes it easy to recognize at a glance. A distinct color or photo can help you spot it quickly in your sidebar. When everything looks good, click Create. Trello will take you straight into your new private board, ready for you to add lists, cards, due dates, and labels without worrying about unintended viewers. A couple of helpful tips as you get going. You can change visibility later from the board's menu if your needs evolve, but be cautious. Switching a private board to Workspace or Public immediately broadens access. To collaborate, remember that visibility alone doesn't add people. You'll still need to invite members to the board individually. And if you don't see the plus button, make sure you're on the main dashboard or try widening your browser window, as the control can collapse into a Create menu on smaller screens. That's it. Your private Trello board is ready to use. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out, and maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it.